Turuma Kazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. We're watching Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o kaiako here. Wheke gang. I'm really excited to watch this one now. People are going to think I'm biased, but I'm not. It's Talia. Wheke gang or Daisy. Look at this. Look at this. Terrell. Hey bro. Sure bro. Cousin. I'm got today. Justice for te pū te wheke. Let's go. Thought that fella kicked me a bit. Terrell. Let's go. Oh, it's poi time. This one's for you ladies. Hey, you just know this. How did this not even make it on the last staging? Who were the judges? I'm sorry to come at you like that. I'm not being biased or anything, but based off everything I've seen, Cuzzy, I've reacted to the videos. Cuz. What did they not like about this thing? I'm so confused there. Toys. Lipstick on her teeth. Toys. Okay. Justice for the good, the Wheke, yeah. Low key, yeah. What was wrong with that, Tell me, what was wrong with that? How come they didn't make the finals? You answer that question. You've seen the clips. Cause these fellas are clip farming. I'm getting heaps of clips from these fellas, Haka time. Darn it. This one for you. Yeah. Yeah, let's go, man. Oh, I love that there. How did they not make finals? Bro, that Haka was tough. Everything's tough. Only thing I don't really like was the more teateapa. All I have to say is that was one of the best performances. Did you not see the choreography? Did you not see how in sync everyone was? How did this not make finals? Okay, this one's gonna be a stand-up analyzation. Wheke, super mean. Had mean ass choreography. They were really in time. This is not a biased standpoint, by the way. More tia. I didn't really like it. It wasn't my style. The poi was pretty tough. You've all heard it on TikTok. That says enough. The waiata āringa, absolutely beautiful. It did sound like there was one of the wahine, an individual, that was screaming, not singing. It wasn't annoying, you know, like that whistle note that always gets me, you know that note? It's that note that was not there, and it wasn't annoying. The whakawātea, nice and simple, looked really simple. Everyone was just doing this, and it was in time. There was a couple of flashy things. How did this not? The transitions, the choreography, seamless. I don't even know, bro. But for some reason, they did not place in the finals. Now, call me biased. I don't care. That's all I gotta say. And if you agree with me, let me know. That's about it. That's all I gotta say. Out of 10, because that motiatia was a bit iffy, not my style anyway, I'm gonna have to give it a 9.5. Te pū o te whike on top. Te pū o te whike. Use up my highest rating. But anyway, that's the end of this video. If you enjoy more content like this, drop a comment, subscribe, and like the video. That's all I gotta say. Chirp.